Maurice Investments are a family property company. They established themselves over 20 years ago. The current focus of the business is on the Alie Street, Aldgate, Clerkenwell Green area, primarily in the office market.
The client set a very specific brief. It was to try and maximise the floor area of the existing building. With that, it was also to come up with a concept different to your normal office environment. Exposed services is something that we, as a practice, are particularly good at. And this is a prime example of those types of buildings where everything's on show, so everything has to be considered and carefully thought out.
So since December, we've completed the structural frame. So that's the 2 stories on top, all the concrete infill works, completed the envelope, the roofing, so the envelope being the external cladding, which is the GRC on the front, zinc cladding to the rear. All the windows have gone in, and then we've gone on to the internal Cat A fit out of the 9 floors, which has included ceilings, partitions, raised access floor, decorations, and the stair core.
The refurbished building provides HVAC system with exposed finishes, 2 new 10-person passenger lifts serving all the floors, generous floor-to-ceiling heights of around 3.3 metres. We have cycle racks, showers and lockers for the clients. The south-facing terrace to the 6th floor is a real sort of jewel in the crown, and then coupled with the dual aspect 7th floor terrace looking out across the city. The main challenges through the project were down to neighbourly matters and coordination with an active construction site next door. This presented several challenges with the need to finish off both buildings along the boundary. Area and the team tackled these really well and came up with positive solutions.
I feel that the team worked extremely well together. I mean, we had various consultants, so all of those different disciplines had to really sort of pull together, and it's just careful, meticulous planning really to try and achieve the best result for our client.